Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel. Recently I started my YouTube channel. I upload coding interview problems and their solutions. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and support. Without further ado, let us solve today's problem. The name of the problem is one away. Here goes the problem statement. There are three types of edits that can be performed on strings: insert a character, remove a character, or replace a character. Given two strings, write a function to check if they are one edit or zero edits away. It means that initially two strings are given. You need to check if you can get the other string by performing only one operation, that is replacement, insertion, or deletion, and this should be performed only on one character. Here insertion and deletion are inverse to each other. Let us consider some examples. First is pale and play. It is true, because we can edit this to make second string equal to first by inserting a character A to the second string. The second example is pales and pale. It is also true, because if we remove a character S from first string, then it will be same as the second string. Next is pale and pale. Here if we replace a character B from the second string with the character P, then the two strings will be equal. Let's solve this now. Let us create an object of the class scanner. It is used for obtaining the input of the primitive types like int, double, char, etc. In this problem, we know that we need two string inputs. Let's read them and consider two inputs B first and second. In order to make a replacement, the length of the strings must be equal. First let us check their length, and if they are equal, let us call a function named onEditReplace. It returns a Boolean value. The parameters passed are strings, that they are initially read by the input. Now let us define the function. Let's take a Boolean variable found difference. When you compare the strings character by character, if you find different character, this variable is made true. Now we need to iterate through the strings, so we are using for loop. The if condition checks whether the characters are not equal. If so, again another if condition is used. It is because, in the problem we know, that we can only edit one character, and here it checks if there are already you found a different character. If that's true, then it is not what we want, and we will return false. Otherwise, if there are only one character difference, you need to return true. Now, it means that you have found a different character at the first time, and found difference variable is made true. If the flag value is true, let us print strings are one replace away. Otherwise they are not. Now we need to consider different string lengths. String length difference between two strings must be 1. First, let's see the case if second string length is 1 more than the first. If that's true, call a function onEditInsert. It returns a Boolean value. The parameters passed are strings that they are initially read by the input. Now let us define the function. The passed strings now become S1 and S2. Declare two int variables named index1 and index2, and initialize them to 0. They act like pointers for the two strings. Run a while loop. It is executed if both the pointers' value are less than the string lengths. Now check if the characters at both the strings are equal or not. If characters are not equal, another if condition is used to check their index values are same or different. For the first time, when you find a different character the second, if condition is not executed. Next time when you find different character immediately a false value is returned. Otherwise increment both the pointers until the while loop terminates. And return a true value. If the flag1 value is true, let us print strings are one edit away. Otherwise they are not. Now consider the last case. Here we check if the first string has one more character than the second. We know that removal is the inverse of insertion method. So we call the same function onEditInsert. But we pass second string as our first parameter and first string as second parameter. Rest is same as the previous one. If the flag2 value is true, let us print strings are one insert away. Otherwise they are not. If all these cases are not possible, then we print we cannot perform this one-away operation. Let us run this program. If you like this video, please like and share. Also write your review on the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.